Hello everybody, today I am going to be talking about typhoons. Um, have you ever wondered today's technology and all those advancements? Well, are they able to completely destroy a typhoon or a hurricane? Well, yes. Well, the first two tries, they didn't succeed because they didn't do the math right or something. But the third attempt, they tried to put some liquid into the hurricane to make all the air molecules liquefy, like turn into liquid, and then just have a big rain, and then it's over. And they succeeded by weakening it, and they will keep working on that to make it better. Okay, this is the end of today's lesson, and